If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Jaliyah a cookie.
Written by Ava.
Illustrated by Jaliyah Scott. If you give Jaliyah a cookie, she will want to eat it with a glass of milk. If you give Jaliyah a glass of milk, she will want ice cream. If you give Jaliyah ice cream, she will get sleepy and go to bed. If Jaliyah goes to bed, she will dream about winning a trophy in basketball. If Jaliyah dreams about winning a basketball trophy, she will win one in real life. If Jaliyah wins a basketball trophy, she will celebrate with her friends. If Jaliyah celebrates with her friends, she will want to share cookies with all of them.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeberg 7th graders and 2nd graders. About the illustrator.
Jaliyah Scott likes to make stuff like plushies and bracelets. You can ask Jaliyah if she can make you one if she is not busy. One day, Jaliyah wants to be a YouTuber. Jaliyah has friends. Their names are Ellie, Callie, and Samantha.